Hello guys, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Facebook recommendation, how to fix it. So you are going to follow all my steps. I'm going to show you my screen. Follow all my steps and learn it and thank me later, please. If this is your first time of coming along this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you all. Oh yeah, let's go. I'm going to show you my screen now. Let's go. I'm going to teach you how to fix this screen now. Recommendations suspended. I'm going to teach you how to create this screen, how to solve it. So see what you will do. Go back. See this try line here now. This try line. Then press on it. Once it's open, then you scroll down. You will see setting and privacy. See help and support. Press that help and support. Then you see help, creator support, account status, support inbox, about and report a problem. Then press that report a problem. That is the one that you press. Report a problem. See it. Then press on it. Once it's open, you press continue. You see it. Then the one that you will press now is don't include in reports. That is the one that you will press. Don't include in report. That is which is this one. Press on it. Once you press on it, then you are going to choose the page or the profile you are want to use to report. If it's a profile that you want to report, that you have the issue, so you press profile. So I'm using page now. I'm going to press page. That is the one that we press, which is this one now. You click on it. Once you click on it, so type and explain. You see, type and explain. You will tell them your issue. So let's use this thing now. Let me type this one. I'm having issue. In my page about my Facebook recommendation. You see, I'm having issue in my page about my recommendation. You see, I'm having issue in my page about my recommendation. You see, then you are going to upload. See, just read the information about your device account, and this app will be automatically include in this report to learn about how your information is used. Please use our data. Use privacy. So see what you will do. You are going to upload the picture. Of that place you have the issue. So let's go. Press on it. Once you press on it, go to your gallery. Once you go to your gallery, you are going to upload that image where you have the issue. You are going to upload it. You are going to upload the image. Going to upload the image, so let me find this thing. I see it here. See it where I have the issue. You see it, the image. See it. Then this one, you are going to upload your profile, your main profile. where you have the issue. You're going to upload your profile where you have the issue. See the profile have the issue, which is this one. You see it, then you press send. You press send. So I'm not going to send this thing because my own is okay, so I'm not going to send it. So if you are having any issue about Facebook recommendation, this is what you will do. Thank you all.